I'm John Aldrin for DIYPhotography.net. We're here at IBC 2022 and I'm here with Andrew from Litepanels and we're going to talk about the new Studio X Fresnel lights.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2022 is sponsored by Sennheiser, the future of audio, Sachtler, producer of professional tripods, and B&H, the professional source.
So hi Andrew, Litepanels, the clue's in the name. You guys are famous for panels.
We are.
Tell me about the new light, why you decided to go for a Fresnel and what's cool about them.
Well, missing from our range was a range of bi-colour Fresnels, which we've now got with a partnership with Quartz Colour. It's a great addition to our family of lights, which means now we can cover a full studio setup in the broadcast industry with hard lights and soft light panels.
Oh, brilliant. And so these are bi-colour lights?
They are, yes. They're bi-colour, so daylight and tungsten, so you can choose whatever colour temperature you want to use in your studio, depending on how you balance your cameras. But yeah, it's a fantastic addition to the successful Gemini and Astra range that we've already got in our lineup.
Brilliant. Well, let's start with the power. How do you power these? Is it all AC or can you do it on batteries or?
All on AC at the moment. There may be a battery solution coming, but I'm not sure of that at the moment.
Okay, brilliant. And for remote control solutions, you got the usual DMX and...
Yeah, they can be controlled by DMX, but you'd have to have a dongle to do that. But these lights are really to enhance our broadcast studio lighting setup.
Right, and are there any other remote controls? Because there's an app for the light panels.
Well, that's for the panels, yeah. So that's a different beast altogether.
Right.
So they don't actually work on the app at the moment.
So this is the smallest light in the range?
That's correct, yeah. This is a new product. This is the X1, which is the smallest. We go all the way up to an X6. In between we have the X2 and the X3.
Brilliant. So is there 6 lights in total, or is there an X4 and an X5?
Yes, there are, yeah.
Oh, right, brilliant.
So we've got a full range, full different power outputs and power consumption.
Right, and the power output on this one was?
So this is brand new. So this one, I believe, is only 100 watts.
So that one's 100, so what's the 6? Is that a 600?
It's a 550,
right.
550 watt.
All right, brilliant. So do you want to talk a little bit about the attachments and modifiers that are available for these lights?
Yeah, sure. So everyone knows that a traditional Fresnel comes with barn doors. This is so we can cut the light, so we can make sure that it doesn't spill all over the set. This gives the gaffer or the lighting director ultimate control over the light source. The mounting options, it comes with a standard yoke or a pole-operated yoke, so you can use them in studios, which is traditionally what you need in a European studio.
So availability on these, are these available now?
These lights are available now from Litepanels and all the Litepanels dealers across Europe. There is a 10-week lead time on those and they're manufactured to order. We hope to improve that over the course and the success of the product. But yeah, they are ready to go.
Brilliant. And what sort of price range are we talking for the different models?
For the smaller ones, we're looking at around 1,500 all the way up to £3,500.
Okay, brilliant. Well, thanks very much.
Okay, thank you.
Well, that's it from the Litepanel stand. I'm John Aldrin for DIYPhotography.net. We're going to keep walking around the show and see what else we can find. If you want to keep up to date on what we see, hit subscribe down below and don't forget to check out the giveaway in the description where we're giving away over $12,000 worth of cinema gear.